All right, and today's Math in the News, we dealt a little bit with prime factors, and our Math in the News today is dealing with the largest prime number. So prime numbers, I mean, they're hard because it's only one and itself. So to find a large prime number takes a lot of work. And this recently came out that we have a new largest prime number that has been found. So once again, as Alex was saying, a prime number is a number that has only two factors, one and itself. A composite number, like 6, has other numbers besides 1 and 6 because 2 and 3 are also factors of that number 6, so therefore it is a composite number. Moving on, the largest prime number is 2 with this very large exponent, 136,279,841. That's how many times you are raising the power of 2. And you're doing all of that and subtracting 1 from your answer. So you're going 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 over 136 million times. And you're going to keep multiplying that. And then at the end of it, you're going to subtract 1. That is going to be the largest known prime number at this time on November 13th, 2024. Now, how was it discovered? Well, this isn't going to be somebody who does multiplying 2 all the way out and spending a long, I don't even know if you would be able to do it with that amount of 2s. So what they're doing is using graphic processing units, and this guy Durant, 17 different countries had computers working on this, and after about a year they came up with this number, which is now the largest prime number. So exponents, we saw that very large exponent to the 136 million and all the other numbers after it. So an example of how exponents work, 3 to the 5th power is not 3 times 5, where a lot of students get confused and they go 3 to the 5th is 15, but it's actually 3, which is the base, 5 is the exponent, so we're multiplying 3 5 times. So we're taking 3, writing it out 5 different times, and when you do that, we can see that we come out to 243. So it's not 15, it's 243. Now we'll take a look at and see what's 4 to the 6th power. So now we have 4, and we're going to raise it to the 6th power, which is equal to 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. Now, if you know your 4s, that's good because you're going to have to multiply 4 a lot of times. Instead of doing it a lot of different times, what we can do is we can break it up. We can go 4 times 4 is 16 times 16 times 16. So now we're just going 16 times 16 times 16, which is only 3 numbers instead of 6 numbers. Now, if you're really good with your 4s, you can even break it up again, and you can simply go 3 4s, which is 4 times 4 times 4, so 16 times 4 would be 64. Do it again 3 times, so it would be 64 times 64. Either way you do it, you are still going to come out with the same answer of 4,096 when you have 4 to the 6th power. And one way that you can kind of think about this is that you're raising it to a 6th. It's going to end, this instance, it's going to end in a 6. That is today's Math in the News.